Running a dry cleaning business means juggling 100 things at once: production, payroll, payments, and customers who all want their order back on time. What if one system handled it all for you? This is iDryclean, Smart POS for smart stores. Start every morning with total clarity. The iDryclean production dashboard gives you a live snapshot of everything due today and tomorrow, plus instant overdue alerts. No more digging through racks or guessing what to prioritize. You'll know exactly what needs attention right after you walk in. Here you can see all orders due today or tomorrow. An alert box in red shows orders due today but not ready. In the list of orders due today, we see a line that is in red, which signifies it's not ready. This could mean a disappointed customer. If we click on the order highlighted in red, we can see its details and print if needed. Scrolling down the list, we see all orders due tomorrow that are ready or not ready. Payroll is one of your biggest expenses, and small time clock errors add up fast. iDryclean's Time Clock Manager and Scheduler automatically rounds employee hours to the rules you set, keeping every punch accurate and fair. It's an easy way to tighten up payroll and save real money every single pay period. Here you see an employee who is scheduled for 7 a.m. clock-in, but actual clock-in was 6:35. That was a 25-minute difference. If that happened over the course of a year, it would cost the store $1,219 in payroll overpayments. iDryclean did the math for you and saved you $1,219. Merchant processing fees quietly eat into your margins every day. With iDryclean's dual pricing, a small convenience fee is automatically applied to card transactions, regulations compliant, and completely automated. The result? Your merchant processing costs drop dramatically without you lifting a finger. When orders are ready, iDryclean sends your customers a text message letting them know their order is ready for pickup. No phone calls, no work for you, just faster pickups, better cash flow, and customers who feel taken care of. Not all garments are created equal, and your pricing shouldn't be either. iDryclean lets you set configurable upcharges for designer and high-value garments, so premium items are automatically priced to reflect their true value. It's an effortless way to protect your margins on the pieces that matter most. Watch as we search for and assign an Armani shirt that adds a configurable 30% upcharge to the garment. And you can have iDryclean automatically print a release form to protect you from liability. Smarter production management, lower payroll costs, reduced merchant fees, reduced liability. iDryclean brings it all together in one simple platform, built to help your dry cleaning or laundry business run better and earn more. See it in action. Schedule your iDryclean demo today. iDryclean, Smart POS for smart stores. Contact us today.